Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm just going to be doing this kind of goldy, like really subtle smoky eye kind of look. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So we all know how I love free samples, so for primer today I'm just going to be using this mattifying primer by Estee Lauder because I got another free sample from David Jones this time. Of the Estee Lauder Double Wear, so she gave me this also. So let's see how this goes. It smells very strange. So first impressions, the appearance of my skin looks very similar to after I apply the Smashbox Photo Finish mattifying primer, I think it is. Like, my skin doesn't look shiny at all, it does look quite matte and it feels soft and velvety. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my Benefit Professional just to fill in my pores. And for foundation today I'm just using my Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Dawn. I don't think I mentioned in my wear test video and first impressions for the Estee Lauder Double Wear, it smells really strong. Like, it almost smells like, I don't know, methylated spirits. It definitely doesn't have a nice, like, perfumey, fragrant smell to it at all. It just smells very, like, chemically. For concealer, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair and a tiny bit of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And then to set my face, I'm just using my Face of Australia Translucent Setting Powder. So obviously you can tell I want this to stay all night because tonight I'm going to a fancy dinner with my boyfriend for, like, his work industry. For bronzer, I'm just going in with my Hoola by Benefit. And then just over the top of that, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of my Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze in the shade Medium. And of course for highlight, using my all-time fave, well, not all-time, it's fairly recent, the Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette, and using the shade in the middle, Burst. Now I'm just giving my face a quick little spray with my Urban Decay All Nighter. And just while that's drying, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm just using my Chi Chi Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe, just on my Anastasia eyebrow brush. If you haven't got this yet, you seriously need to. Like, I can't remember the last time I used my Anastasia brow pomade. This is just my go-to. So I don't even think this is going to work because there's like nothing left, but I'm going to attempt to set my eyebrows with this empty bottle of Ready Set Brow by Benefit. It's almost time I whip out the hairspray to set my brows. For lips, can you guess? Probably. I'm using the shade Checkin' In. It's a matte lipstick by Chi Chi, my current fave. It's just like my most perfect nude shade. I love it so much. So So for my eyeshadow today, I'm just using my Smashbox Full Exposure palette. And these here are the colours inside. So I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and just starting with this creamy white shade here. Just going to put that all over the lid as a base to help everything blend out over the top. Using that exact same brush, I'm just going to go a shade deeper, which is this kind of cream colour, and then just working that into the crease as a transition and blending quite high towards the eyebrow. Taking a smaller blending brush, I'm just going to take this shade here. It's just like a milk chocolate kind of brown colour, and just work that through the crease and on the outer V to start adding definition. My eyelid on this side in the inner corner here is so dry, so hopefully it all blends out alright. Literally like no product has stuck to that, I just noticed. Wow. Just going to blend that out just with that last brush we had. Taking a small pencil brush, I'm just going to grab that really kind of dark chocolate brown in the bottom corner here. And then put this on the outer V and about halfway across the crease also. Going back in with our blending brush and just taking that slightly lighter brown. We're just going to blend all this out a bit. Just going to grab some of that creamy shade to try to help me blend. For the kind of first half and middle bit of the lid, I'm just going to be using this shimmery gold colour here. I'm just going to apply it with my finger first. Probably should have used some sort of like glitter glue or primer before this because it's very, very glittery, which I love. But I just feel like we're going to get a lot of fallout. Just going to take a flat packing brush, spray it with some Fix Plus, and then go back in with that gold just to kind of help it stick on to my lid. Also going to use a bit of that in the inner corner. I'm just going to grab a dry kind of packing brush. Just grab a bit of that and just blend out this edge up in my crease because I don't want it to be like a harsh line. Just taking a blending brush, I'm just going to grab that kind of milk chocolate shade here and just sweep that along my lower lash line. I might just make it a tiny little bit darker, so I'm just going to grab a little bit of that darker brown and just go over that very, very lightly. And then also just blending out this brown with the gold. Just going to give my face a quick spray again. Now for my mascara, I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes with my Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express. And lastly, to complete my look, I'm just going to pop on some wispy false lashes. And for the last step, I'm just going to blend in my top lashes with the false ones, just using my Benefit Roll Lash Mascara. I'm definitely not having a good false lash day today. I'm not 100% happy with them, but I'm cutting it close for time, so I'm not going to take them off. So here's my completed look. Again, if you did enjoy my video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.